So this unboxing is for the At-300 processor. Came from China. It's the end of the year 2021, so the price has gone up to about $1,500 including shipping. Earlier this year it was around $1,000 or $1,100, but I guess with a shortage of chips with the coronavirus and all that stuff, the price has gone up. Still a good deal though. So the box came in. Got a bill of lading. It's packaged pretty good from what I could tell. It is a little loose under, like it was opened by customs, because it did go through some kind of customs. It came from China. And so I'm just going to do this unboxing so you all can see how it comes. This one. So it's packaged really well. It has a foam and all this stuff. It's remote. It's plastic. Foam. There's a box here. See what's in it. So it came with RCA, power cord, and an HDMI. I'm not sure if it's 2.1 or 2.0. It might be 2.0. It's some kind of RO HS. I'm not a audiophile type guy, so I wouldn't know. And the manual, hopefully it's in English, but you could easily download the English version from the internet, which I have already done and checked out. More foam. Okay. And it's still wrapped in something else, so it comes very well packaged. Turn it over. Wrapping out. Set it here. This is the back. Hopefully you can see that. I will not be using any of these up here. I don't think. I bought it for this, for the balanced outputs, because I'm using XLR. Of course, I got it for this, especially EARC. EARC, there are lots of videos online for that, so I'm not really going into details. I don't know much about it myself. I'm still learning. Has some kind of antenna there. It's all metal. This is the front. Right there. Some kind of volume knob. And other buttons here. No, there's volumes on this side. I guess this is for selecting sources. It's all metal. I'll be installing this tomorrow once my speakers arrive. The setup that I'm doing, I am doing 7.1.6, so I'll be doing one subwoofer of the 0.1, and I'll be doing 4 subwoofers of the 2 front mains and the surround sound on the sides, and the 2 rear speakers. Because of the layout of my space, I can't put subwoofers under those, so that will be just 2 CP 12 QSC loudspeakers. For the mains and the center and the sides, those are all QSC CP12s. For the heights, the ones above the ceiling for Atmos, Dolby Atmos, I'm using Galaxy Nano, 6 of those. Those should be arriving today. So once the everything is hooked up, I will do a video of the whole setup. But I just wanted to do the unboxing so you can see how it's packaged. It's packaged really well, and you know, considering where it's, you know, how it got here all the way from China, it got here reasonably fast. Amir did a really good job in contacting me. I got this through what, Hi-Fi or something. I forgot the name of the company, but the guy's name is Amir. It's the only Summit Hi-Fi or something like that it's called. He's the only guy that really sells it here in the US, and have it coming from China. So you could ask questions in the comment section down below, like and subscribe. You all have a good day.